back to Barbara's Bird. On today's episode, we'll be talking about how to make money during the coronavirus period. It's no news what is happening right now worldwide. There's a pandemic, and people have been wondering how can they make money during this period? Can they ever make money during this period? Now I'm here to tell you that you could make money, a whole lot of money, during this period. How can you make money during this period? I'll be sharing to you on how you could make money. Let's go. Number one, through online courses. There are a lot of people that are knowledge people that are teachers, people that have something to offer. Now, I want to tell you people that you could actually present your knowledge to people in form of an online course, sell it to them, and they would buy. Mind you, this is a very critical period. People are more interested in food and other necessary necessities. So you need to tell them why the online course you want to sell to them is of importance. What will be their end result after they take your course? Because, people do not just want to spend anyhow. I know people are saying they want to learn a skill, but you need to tell them why that online course you're presenting to them will be of benefit to them. Number two, invest in shares. Now, lots of company share prices are falling. Now is the time to invest in shares if you have loose cash. Before you invest in any company, please make sure you do your research well. Do your homework well. Okay? Research about the company you want to invest in. I could give you a hint. You could invest in food and beverage. Okay? Number three, grow your network connection. Now is the time to collaborate with people. Do not be scared to reach out to that person within the same industry as yours, to collaborate with the person. What's the worst that could happen? The worst that could happen is no, and it's no big deal. You move on, reach out to another person you could collaborate with, and if the person keeps on telling you no, work on yourself in such a way that when you want to reach out to another person, the person would be willing to collaborate with you. So don't let fear hold you back. Besides, two heads are better than one, and when you collaborate with more people, it gives you more visibility, and you can be able to rub up on their connections. Okay, so do not let fear hold you back. Number four, give discounts and freebies during this period. Right now, lots of online learning centers are giving discounts. In fact, they're even giving free courses to people that they could learn from. An example is Udemy. An example is Harvard Business School. Okay, so they are giving free courses for people to learn. Now, what is the implication of this? The implication is that once these people learn for free, after the post-COVID period, they could be able to present that same course in an advanced level, and those people will be willing to buy because they have seen the benefits of that same course that has been offered to them at a free price. Last but not the least is accountability. Okay, right now, people are at home, everyone is at home, doing Netflix and chilling, trying to learn a course online, trying to be productive. But some people have not still been able to reach their goal in which they want to achieve. Okay, so what do you need to do? What you need to do is to be in an accountability circle. A circle that will motivate you, a circle you could be accountable to. You have someone that will always put you on the right track. Okay, that circle is very, very important right now because, it's been how many weeks right now? Time has passed. And if you don't do this, you realize that the COVID period is over and you have not been able to write that book. The COVID period is over, you have not been able to do that thing you want to do. So be in an accountability circle. It's very, very important. Okay? So before I go, in practical terms, what can you do for yourself right now? Remember that woman in the Bible that had just oil. And that oil was multiplied, and she was able to pay off her debt. Now you are a tailor, and you think that you can't make money during this period because, no one is doing Owambe or whatever. But why can't you start making face masks and selling to people? Face masks is what is selling right now. You are into kerosene. Selling kerosene to people. Why can't you start producing sanitizers and selling to people? So in other words, look within yourself and look at what you could do that could give you wealth. So in every problem, there's always an opportunity. So search within to find the opportunity within your environment to create wealth for yourself. So I hope you guys have learned a lot during this episode on how you can make money during this COVID period. Do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe. Very important, tap that subscribe button. Do not forget to share, do not forget to comment. Okay? I remain the delectable Barbara, and I'm signing out for Barbara.